Hello everyone, it's me, James Ruane. In this video, I'm going to discuss of how to make your own password for beginners. If you guys don't know of how to make your own password, then you're at the right place. Anyway, it's time to begin the presentation. Introduction: How to get a great and secured password for beginners. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss of how to create a password that's secured and ways to make sure it's hard to decipher it. Ha! You see there? Anyway. Number 1. Use phrases. Use phrases to help produce an idea that makes sure what your password's going to be. However, it must be at least 6 or 10 words long. For example, the 5 commanders of Spain oversee their army, or the lion hunted 4 zebras and nine crocodiles at nighttime. If you couldn't think of one phrase, you could always go online or read a book to find it. However, you must not tell anyone about the phrase you're using, because if you do, then you're screwed. Number 2. Take the first letters of each word of the phrase you used. God, that's funny. Then, after you choose which phrase to use, take the first letter of each word in it and put them into one word. For example, TFCOSOTA equals the 5 commanders of Spain overseeing their army, or this, which represents the lion hunted 4 zebras and 9 crocodiles at nighttime. Number 3. Take the numbers and turn them into numerals. If one of the letters has a number or two, change them into numeral numbers in the password. For example, this password in where F is 5, turn it into a numeral number like F5COSOTA, or this password into this. Number 4. Place a special character in the password and make 2 letters in your password uppercased. To make sure that your password is protective and secure, you must add some special characters in it and make some uppercases on 2 letters that are important, but choose wisely because you never know that uppercase could give away your password. For example, this password to this one, see how I made Z and C uppercased, where Z represents for zebra and C represents for crocodile in the password. Also, I changed A for and into its special character version, and, if you catch my drift. Anyway, Whoosh. Number 5. If there's a number in the password, add a special character. However, if there isn't a number, add one. If you put a number in the beginning of your password, then you're free to put down any special character that pleases you, like quote, this sign, $sign, hash, hash, hashtag symbol, etc. However, if there isn't any number in the beginning, then put down one number at the beginning of the password. For example, if there is a number, then you put like this, add a hashtag, or anything that has a special character. If there isn't a number, like for example this, add one. Bang! Number 6, add either a colon or equal sign at the end. At the end of the password, put a colon slash the colon sign or an equal sign in it. For example, hashtag 9 this password to this with an equal sign or with a colon. See that? Number 7, put down 3 capital letters next to the colon or equal sign. Now that you have your own password, put down 3 capital letters next to the equal sign or colon in your password to show what kind of website you're using for your secure password, but put in a mixed up order if necessary. For example, this password to this one next to the equal sign that says G and Z, or one with VPI or AOS. They disappear with a close. Now that you know the steps of how to make a protective and secured password, you're ready to produce one that best suits you for when you're making an account like Microsoft, Google, or Yahoo, for example. However, don't use the password that I've created in the presentation. You make your own password by going through the steps. I hope you enjoyed my presentation of how to conjure a secured password when you're making an account. Until next time, bye! Now that's magic. Anyway, this is all for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I will list this presentation into the description below. Until next time, I'm James Ruane, and I'll see you then. So until next time, see ya, bye!